I'm Sandy from Science World, and I'm celebrating Pride Month by looking for rainbows. A rainbow, or spectrum, happens when all the colors in white light get separated, sometimes by droplets of moisture in the sky, sometimes by something else. I'm going to be using polarizing filters, which are found in some sunglasses and also in filters for fancy cameras. A polarizing filter is like a fence for light. Only the light waves that are wiggling in the correct direction can get through. If you have two filters, light can only get through if the filters are lined up. If they're crossed, no light gets through. I'm going to put my sunglasses on top of this white light so you can see it blocks some of the light coming through. Then when I bring my camera filter, depending on how I turn it, I let through all the light or not very much. Now to my polarizing filter sandwich, I'm going to add a crumpled up piece of ordinary packing tape. When I look at it through the polarizing filter, all of a sudden I can see my rainbow colors. That's because the tape is twisting some of the colors of light just enough to make it through the second fence. Where is your favorite place to find a rainbow? Tell us using the hashtag #ShowUsYourScience.